You understand English. You can follow movies. You can listen to conversations. But when someone asks you a question, your mind freezes. Your mouth stays closed. You know what you want to say, but the words don't come out. Today, you will understand why this happens and how shadowing can help you speak English without fear, without pressure, and without overthinking. I see this all the time. I talk to people who understand English very well. They listen, they nod, they smile. But when it's their turn to speak, something changes. They stop. They look nervous. They say, "Sorry, my English." The problem is not vocabulary. The problem is not grammar. The problem is that their voice is not trained. They learned English by listening and studying, but not by speaking. That's why they freeze. And that's exactly why shadowing works, because it connects your ears, your mouth, and your confidence. Before we start, understand this. Freezing happens when your brain is scared of being wrong. So in this section, we remove pressure. These sentences are simple and clear. They help your mouth start moving again. Don't think. Don't analyze. Just listen and repeat out loud from start to finish. Shadowing practice. I understand English, but speaking feels hard. I feel nervous when I need to speak. My mind goes blank sometimes. I know the words, but I don't say them. I stay silent because I'm afraid. I want to speak more confidently. I start speaking even if I feel nervous. I don't need perfect English to speak. I use simple sentences to communicate. I keep my voice calm and clear. I finish my sentences slowly. I breathe and continue speaking. I allow myself to make mistakes. I feel more relaxed when I repeat. My voice starts to feel natural again. Freezing usually happens in real life, at work, in class, when someone looks at you and waits for an answer. In this section, you will practice speaking in everyday situations. The goal is not speed. The goal is to keep talking, even if you feel nervous. Listen, breathe, and repeat out loud. When someone asks me a question, I stay calm. I take a second before I answer. I don't rush my words. I speak slowly and clearly. I don't panic if I make a mistake. I continue speaking even if I feel nervous. I answer with simple English. I focus on the message, not the grammar. I keep my voice steady. I don't freeze like before. I feel more comfortable answering in English. I allow myself to think while speaking. I speak at my own pace. I finish what I want to say. I feel more confident after each sentence. Now we change the focus. You are not just speaking, you are flowing. In this section, the sentences are more connected. They sound like real thoughts. Don't stop in the middle. Let the sentence finish naturally. Listen and repeat with confidence. Shadowing practice. When I speak English, I stay present and calm. I don't translate in my head anymore. I let the words come out naturally. Even if I hesitate, I keep talking. I feel more relaxed while speaking. My voice sounds more natural now. I connect one sentence to the next. I don't freeze like before. I speak with rhythm, not fear. I trust my voice more every day. I finish my ideas clearly. I enjoy speaking English now. I feel comfortable expressing myself. I don't overthink my sentences. Speaking English feels easier and smoother. Now we practice longer sentences. This is how real English sounds in conversations. Don't stop in the middle. Don't worry about mistakes. Focus on the flow. Focus on connecting ideas. This will train your mouth, your ears, and your confidence together. Repeat each sentence out loud, slowly at first, then naturally. Shadowing practice. Even if I feel nervous, I start speaking English anyway. I take a deep breath and continue my answer. My words don't have to be perfect, they just have to come out. I explain my thoughts step by step. If I make a mistake, I don't stop. I stay calm and focus on my message. I connect my sentences naturally, like a conversation. I respond to questions without freezing. I trust that people understand my simple English. Speaking slowly is better than freezing silently. I repeat sentences to build my confidence. I feel proud every time I use my voice. I keep going even if I hesitate. I speak clearly and with rhythm. Shadowing helps me speak English naturally. Now it's time to take your speaking to the next level. This section is about connecting full ideas. Your sentences are longer, your thoughts are complete. Many people understand English, but freeze when they need to answer. This happens because the brain is not trained to speak. In this exercise, you will speak without stopping, without self-correcting. Your goal is confidence and flow. Repeat each sentence out loud, slowly first, then naturally. Trust your voice. You can do this. Shadowing practice. I understand English, and now I am learning to speak it without fear. I start talking even if I feel nervous inside. I focus on my message, not on making mistakes. I speak in simple words and people understand me. Even if my voice shakes, I continue speaking. I take my time and express my ideas clearly. I repeat sentences to improve my flow. I speak naturally, just like a conversation. My confidence grows with every repetition. I communicate my thoughts step by step. I feel proud of myself when I speak English. I trust my voice and my rhythm. I can speak English in daily situations without freezing. I enjoy practicing and using my voice. Every time I speak, my fear becomes smaller. I am becoming a confident English speaker. Speaking English is fun and natural now. Now, Luna tips. First, remember this. Freezing is normal. It doesn't mean you're bad at English. It means your speaking muscles need training. When you practice shadowing, don't translate. If you translate, your mouth stops. Just copy the sound and the rhythm. Repeat each sentence 3 times. The first time, focus only on the sound. The second time, follow the rhythm. The third time, speak with confidence. Always speak out loud, not in your head. Your mouth needs real practice. Don't pause the video too much. Real conversations don't pause. Train yourself to keep going. Practice a little every day. 5 or 10 minutes is enough. Consistency builds confidence. Shadowing is not about perfect English. It's about feeling comfortable when you speak. You did something important today. You didn't just listen to English, you used your voice. Remember, freezing doesn't disappear in one day, but every time you speak, it gets weaker. Every repetition makes you stronger. Come back to this practice whenever you feel stuck. Your confidence lives in repetition. Thank you for practicing with English with Luna. Until next time, keep speaking, keep practicing, and don't be afraid to use your voice.